Hey, Imagination Rabbit Team here with another Nightmare Puppeteer update. So the main thing in this one is a typewriter. So I'm going to show you how to use that after, but I made some improvements to TV mode, which is this right here, which is to generate randomized cartoons, AI generated cartoons, including AI dialogue. So to do that, now I added this pop-up. So you have a couple different options for the dialogue for TV mode. AI talk will be totally AI generated. You don't have to do anything. Let's go look at that so you can see.
One time I saw this infantile text named Cordelia I black scabbard fish by a slip. I just got into text. I posted This person had the criticalest oxygen I have ever seen. I looked at them while I delayed for 8 days. Once
Okay, so that's the AI dialogue mode. So the next mode uses a typewriter, which is a new thing in Nightmare Puppeteer. It's another way to create dialogue. So where that is, you go here to make a nightmare. Oh, let's randomize this person. They're too gigantic. And the typewriter's right here. So you write it all in here. I'll show you how to use it after. You can download, of course, stuff from Workshop and upload stuff that you write, share stuff. But we have this in here right now. I don't even have to do that for the TV mode, but I'm gonna do it anyway. So now if I switch to typewriter talk, it's going to be controlled by the typewriter, and the thing that's different is that you can sequence the actions with the typewriter. So you can make it so like they puke and then wait for 2 seconds, then say a line, then fall down, whatever. You control that stuff. So let's see what that looks like.
Hello, my friend. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you, Potato.
Oh, no, I'm scared.
I can't believe you've fallen.
I love you, bitch.
Also, I am in the state of loving you.
So that was a typewriter mode. So that was stuff that I wrote and put in here. That's what this text is in the typewriter. And you control that stuff. The next mode is audio talk. So there's two ways you can use this. By default, it will try to load in anything you have here in an audio playlist. So this is where, if you didn't know, you can record right into Nightmare Puppeteer. You can also load files individually, or you can go grab them from Steam. So I'm gonna grab these Joe Rogan clips here.
You were in Alberta and you
So I'm gonna show you how that one works. So what it's gonna do, it's going to randomly grab those clips and change their pitch and stuff like that. So let's see what that one is like.
Every year I schedule 2 cunts and assume I'm gonna strike out.
Every year I schedule 2 cunts and assume I'm gonna strike out.
Is antlers. That's a good way to get shot by a
I don't think...
So that's how that one works. And there's an additional option that I added for my dude Jolsh, that you access through the console. The console's shift plus escape. And I think it's called TV Talk. Load and use TV Talk clips. So if you go into the game folder, then go into Nightmare Puppeteer data, and then streaming assets, there's a folder in there called TV Talk. So any clips you put in there, WAV files, AFF, MP3, whatever the Nightmare Puppeteer supports, if you put those in there and then run this command, it will load those and use those for the audio mode of the TV mode. And then the last one is something like Nightmare Puppeteer has really advanced Twitch support, but like no one knows about it, no one uses it. So as you can see in the bottom corner, I'm connected to Twitch. So you do that here, you put your username, your channel, your OAuth token, which you can get by clicking right here. You can leave all this stuff on. And what this will do is that you have Twitch, if you have Twitch going, so like I have it right here, my OBS. So let's try to do this. So what this allows you to do is that you can allow the Twitch chat itself to write the dialogue for the characters to speak. So if we do that, and that will work in the TV mode and the normal Nightmare Puppeteer mode. If that guy stops talking, let's see. TLK1. Hello there.
Hello there.
Okay, so that's the first actor's voice. And then TLK2 is the second. Hi, I'm your friend.
Hi, I'm your friend.
Oops, I just realized I turned the sound off on the game. Okay, let me do that again. So this would be live on Twitch, so you know you're streaming it to people.
Hello there.
That's actor 1, and this is actor 2.
Hi, I'm your friend.
So yeah, you can let the Twitch chat write the dialogue. So every time you run it in Twitch, it'll generate this link right here, which is all the commands. But it's just exclamation TLK 1 or 2 plus, hey man, I'm here, man.
Hey Mayan, I'm here, Mayan.
So yeah, TLK1, TLK2 is for that. So check out the commands, Twitch commands to see that. And so those Twitch commands will also work in the normal scenes if you turn them on. So yeah, now let's get to the typewriter. Let me show you how to write this stuff in here. So let's clear this. So the way it works is that this is a dialogue to write for the first actor. This is a dialogue to write for the second actor. We have an action that will run before the line, an action that will run after the line, and we can add a wait before the line is spoken. So it goes like this action here, then the wait, then the dialogue, and then this one. That's the order, right? So I'll go, hello, I am your friend, right? So let's have this dude, these are the actions we can do. Let's have this dude fart, and then wait 4 seconds, then say this line, and then let's have actor 2 puke. So then we click that, the plus, and it adds that line. And you can have, you don't have to go back and forth like I am. You can have, you know, a single character keep talking. So let's have this guy do this again. Hey, are you there? So let's just have a 2-second wait. And then let's have this person go, I'm busy farting, can't you tell? And let's have him go, let's have him do what? Let's put a random head on him or her, and then wait 2 seconds. Okay, and then let's have actor 1 go, you are amazing. This is amazing. So let's have them on the beginning. Let's have them do a random animation, right? And then let's wait 2 seconds, say their line, and then let's have them fall down. Actor 1 fall down. Let's add that line, and then this person's gonna go, oh my god, you are down. Let's just have them wait 2. Then this person's gonna say, your mom is down. And then let's have him blow another fart. Okay, of course. Your mom is down. Then this person's gonna go Down syndrome, son. And then they're also gonna fall down after the line. This is amazing theater we're doing here. Okay, so you just write it like that. And what these two things do here, so this is for actor 1, this is for actor 2. So if you click these, it'll make it so on every dialogue line, it'll automatically try to cut to a close-up of the actor's face. So if you have this one, every time actor 1 speaks, it'll try to get a close-up of their face, this one. And you can also set that here in the actions, but I just did this in case you want to make really fast, easy stuff like that, right? So I'm going to go ahead and upload this one. My friend is here. And then I'm going to upload this to Steam Workshop so someone else can use it if they want to. Right, and you would download it right here. So then you can set the voice. So let's go normie man, normie woman, all right? So if we enter a scene, let's create a new character. For this one too. There we go. And let's choose one of our walking scenes. There we go, walking man. Let's reset the cameras and let's see what this does.
Hello, I am your friend, right? Hey, are you there?
I'm busy farting, can't you tell?
You are amazing. This is amazing.
Oh my god, you are down.
Your mom is down.
Down syndrome, son.
Okay, so we saw that amazing drama we made. So I saw one thing. I'm gonna press escape. So here is the lip sync sensitivity for the first actor. So you can tell his mouth didn't open enough, so we can adjust that. And then if you want to replay it again, like any scene, you press enter and go restart scene media, and it'll replay it.
Your mom is down.
It does that weird line at first.
Hello, I am your friend, right?
Yeah.
Hey, are you there?
I'm busy farting, can't you tell?
You are amazing. This is amazing.
Oh my god, you are down.
Your mom is down.
Down syndrome, son.
Okay, you see how like earlier in the script or the dialogue they fell down, so they won't come back up. They'll just stay down there unless you use a command, like let's go back in here. So, you know, I could do another line, and then on actor 1, if I know they're on the ground, I can do actor 1 get up from fall. I'm back, bitch. So if I add this now, then he'll get up, whatever. So that's how that works. But I think you can do a lot of cool shit with this. So now there's several ways to get your Nightmare Puppeteer puppets talking. So there's the Typewriter mode that we were just looking at, right? You can use that. You can load in an audio file. Oh, and it kept playing that Rogan one because it was loaded in here by default, so you just exit out and won't play. So you can load an audio file with this one, it'll play it. You can record your own playlist, import files into the playlist, or download a playlist from Steam Workshop. You can use a live mic. This thing's pretty sketchy though, and you gotta test it a lot, have a good sound card, so you can do live audio. And when you're using this mode, you should switch it into tab to talk mode. So when you press tab for actor 1, you can look in the manual to see all the controls. Then it will
you were in Alberta.
It will play through these sounds. So if you press tab once, it plays this one. you press tab again, and it'll go through the playlist and loop through it. And then for the second actor, same thing, except it's like shift tab or something. You look in the manual. So yeah, those are the different ways to load an audio. Or you can just do nothing and just play the AI TV mode. But I think people out there, like, you should take advantage of the Twitch stuff that's in here. So like, even if you just did the TV mode in Twitch, with the Twitch controls, whatever. So let me just show you this. So this is the link that it goes to. So you can speak the dialogue for the actors, which you already saw. You can load in audio files for the voices, for the background music, and this is through the Twitch chat, mind you. You can load in the images that show up in the backgrounds of some scenes. You can load in the text that shows in the background. You can load video files into the scenes that have video files. You can load a green screen video in the green screen scenes, and we'll key out this video. You can load MIDI files through the chat. You can control the audio, the voices. You can do all this shit that you see here. So one of the really fun ones, though, that I had fun developing is this heckler system, HKLR. You have to make sure this is turned on. So what this allows you to do is actually throw 3D objects into the scene and hit stuff from the Twitch chat. And if you use the scene with the dunk tank thing, it's like that circus. The dunk tank's also in the level editor. You can add it anywhere. And someone hits it in the Twitch chat, it'll actually fucking pop up a little window on screen and give you the Twitch username of the person that hit it. If you go back in these tutorials in the playlist, you'll find the one like about that. Oh, one more tip. This one could be important. If you're trying to load in audio and it's not playing back on your character, make sure go into the scene options and make sure TTS Actor 1 and 2 is turned off. Because if these are turned on, it won't play any audio. So that's something to check. And if you're using the typewriter mode, it's going to switch those on and off, you know, using these voices. That's what these control. And if you use a TV mode, it should revert your settings now when you leave TV mode, but it might still randomize them. So if you're using TV mode and a lot of this stuff all the time, make sure you go in here and make sure your settings are what you want. And yeah, especially if the audio won't play, check these. So, alright, that's it.